What's up, guys? BROKEHAM here, and today I got a special package from Radiodity. Let's see what they gave us. Oh, I'm sorry, not what they gave us, what I had spent my own money on. This is a 25th anniversary edition of a Baofeng UV5R. And what is special about this? Well, apparently I get a cool metal little badge. That's whoopee. Let's see what else is in here. What makes this worth $30? I don't know. I haven't opened this yet. We'll see. So let's see. We get a nice little letter here that says the UV5R rolled off the production line in 2011. That's really cool. And it's a 5,000 commemorative set. I did not know it was only 5,000. So this comes in two different colorways. It's a transparent orange and a transparent white. And now that I know that it's only 5,000, I might go ahead and order another one to complete the set. There's a little timeline of their, I guess, the history here. So 2001, I didn't know that. And then 2011, I didn't know the UV5R was that old. Well, let's see. Turn to our roots with this limited edition. There's a transparent design and unique identity, individual serial numbering, and commemorative metal badge. And a thank you card created especially for you. Is this the thank you card? Or is this just a letter? I don't know. Okay, it comes in a plastic case. That's cool. I probably won't use this to store the thing, but I'll definitely use it for something else. I'm a bit of a case snob. I like bags, backpacks, any kind of storage thing. Alright, so it says Baofeng on the front. And it says 25th anniversary. And the printing on it's not the best. No, that side looks pretty good. But this side, there's some, looks like there's some bleed over or something here. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Oh, and if you hear a thunderstorm in the background, it's just the baby monitor that I have sitting next to me. Okay, so some nice foam, a manual, and there it is. We have a clear UV5R. Oh, and there's a peel on it. Oh, yeah. I can never sell this now. So apparently there is. Oh my gosh, that's got to be a rare number. Number 123. Oh, that's awesome. I'm so much more excited now that this is number 123. Like this is just a cool thing to have. But now that it's number 123, I'm extremely excited. All right, what else do we get? I think it's just standard Baofeng stuff. So we get our little K-plug earpiece adapter. Here's the badge. Oh, it's actually got a pin on it. Maybe I should walk around Hamvention with this. That's actually pretty nice. Ooh. All right, I'll leave that out. We'll leave all this stuff out. And then I think this is just a standard battery. Yep. Just a standard Baofeng battery. Kind of upsetting that that's not also clear. You know, but I think I can get it. Oh, here, let's act like I've put a battery in a Baofeng before. There we go. And then, let's see, standard charger. This is the, I think this is the nicer charger. I've got some of these where the wires feel super thin, and they're probably not authentic Baofeng chargers, but that one feels nice. We've got our pocket clip. And then, is this a special antenna? This looks like a special antenna. Where's the bag open at the top? Oh my goodness, it is. That is very cool. Oh my goodness. Come on, focus on me. Oh, that is very cool. Let's complete the look here. It said, did you see that? Baofeng 25th. All right. Oh, the button here says 25th. Everything else looks standard. Oh.
Power. Confirm. Power. Confirm.
All right. First things we got to do, turn off the voice. Turn that off. I want to turn the beep off. I'm not a beep guy. All right. So let's try 1, 4, 6, 5, 2, 0. All right. Oh, keys up. While we're here, let's do a little 5-2 challenge from inside the shack. CQ, Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, calling CQ on 146.52 megahertz. And now we're in the shack, so we're probably not going to get hardly anything. Let's give it one more call. CQ, Kilo 8 Alpha Romeo Hotel, calling CQ on 2 meters, 146.520. So calling CQ on 2 meters, any station, anywhere, K8ARH. Yeah, I kind of expected that from inside the shack, but that's all right. Let's look up my local. There's one repeater I know I can hit from here. And let's see if I can hit it. Hold, please. I got the repeater kerchunking. Let me toss my call out one more time and see if somebody answers. K8ARH testing is. Can anybody give me a sound check on this? Yeah, it's pretty late at night, so I'm not surprised nobody's listening in right now. So this is everything you get, including this. I guess this is supposed to be the thank you note that they mentioned here on the thank you note. The price of this was, again, this was $30, which is a lot for a UV5R, but it's kind of cool. It's in a special colorway. You get a little badge, you get a nice little case. You get a special antenna, which that's pretty cool. I actually really like this antenna that goes with it. And it also comes in another colorway. I'll try to remember to put a picture up, but if not, it also comes in this transparent orange. So I might actually go ahead and get that one too, just because they're limited. So why not? I think that's a cool thing, the limited kind of edition thing. Plus the fact that I got number 1, 2, 3. I think that's awesome. That's super cool. It's kind of like when you find a dollar bill or something, and all the numbers are 55555 or whatever. I don't know. That's kind of a nerdy thing, but I feel like your currencies, those are worth extra money to some people. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I thought this was such a cool little thing. And for a person like me, I'm quite a bit of a collector. I like to collect things. 25th anniversary is something I got to get. Super stoked that I got number 1, 2, 3. I think that's awesome. So that's really all the time I have for today. I just want to leave with saying, go to BROKEHAM.com, click the newsletter sign up, and sign up, because pretty soon, probably even by the time this video comes out, I'm going to be past 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. I got prizes like a Spooltenna, which was graciously donated from Spooltenna. I have a different Baofeng, not this model. This is mine. get your own. But there is a different Baofeng I'm going to be giving away. Also, I have another person who graciously donated. R&L has donated a $25 gift certificate to rnl.com. So if you want to try to win any of those things, I might have some more stuff to give away by then too. I'm still reaching out to some people to see if they're interested. If you want to have a chance to win anything, go ahead and BROKEHAM.com, click the newsletter sign up, and I'll be doing an email blast to put out more information on how to sign up for this giveaway. So that's all the time I have for today. This is the BROKEHAM saying 73.